Good evening and namaste. My name is Aditi Rath and I have been learning Odissi from Shri Guruji Art Academy Thane since I was 4 years old, and I have been learning under the tutelage of Srimati Nivedita Mukherjee. Today is the first day of Nritya Aradhana 2020, our online dance festival. So during this lockdown, the number of dance classes that we have been to has decreased, but we have kept the learning on with online classes and interactions. Today's program was a unique opportunity to showcase whatever we have learned in these 8 months and how our dance is enhanced and improved along with our gestures and expressions. So this is my first Facebook live event, so please pardon me if there are any glitches. The first item which I'll be performing is called a Pallavi. A Pallavi is a pure dance item which showcases the technical aspects of Odissi dance. In Sanskrit, Pallavi means blossoming. It showcases the nuances of Odissi dance with beautiful combination of elegant body movements and intricate footwork. A Pallavi starts with a slow lyrical tune, which in the slow beat, which is the Vilambit Laya, and then it builds up to a faster beat at the end with more and more intricate footwork in the Madhyama and Dhruta Laya. So I am going to be performing Shankarabharanam Pallavi. It is choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Gulukelu Charan Mahapatra. Then it is based on Rag Ektali, and it is based on Rag Shankarabharanam and Tal Ektali. Music please.
ब्लूटूथ ऑफ हो जाए ब्लूटूथ सीट ब्लूटूथ ऑफ पॉज हुई नहीं फेसबुक रे पॉज नहीं ब्लूटूथ ऑफ कर दीजिए एयरप्लेन मोड
Now I would like to move on to my second item, which is called Tolagi. So Tolagi is an Abhinay item. That means it involves more sorry, it involves more of feelings, emotions, and hand gestures and eye movements more than the actual footwork. So Tolagi is written by 18th century poet Pandit it's written by 18th century poet Gopal Krishna Patnaik. In this song, Radha warns Krishna not to come troubling him onto the streets of Gopapura and trouble everyone with his pranks. Krishna orders Radha to bring him butter and promises her that if she brings him butter, then he would surely take her over the banks of Yamuna river. She's almost ready to go with him when she refuses and says that somebody has called her from her house. Now I would like to perform this in front of you. Tolagi is composed by Pandit Bhuvneshwar Maharaj. Then it is choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra, and it is based on the rag Khemta. Thank you. Music, please. much. So that was the end of my performance. I would like to thank, first of all, Shri Guruji Art Academy, which has allowed me to learn in their prestige institution for my whole childhood. Then I would like to thank my guru, Srimati Nivedita Mukherjee, who has given me this golden opportunity to perform live. And lastly, my parents, who made sure that there were no significant technical glitches. So thank you so much. And I wish my friends all the best and my sister also, just for being there. And thank you so much. I would like to wish the other performers all the best. Thank you.